Are you a mom who wants to restart her career, but every time you take one step ahead and due to guilt, you pull that back? Maybe it can be because of your thinking, the guilt of leaving the kids at home, guilt of becoming a selfish and thinking about how I can become a financial independent, guilt about I may not be good enough to go in the market to restart my career right now. But can I tell you the one powerful thing? You're not alone. And that guilt, you should not hold you back, because there are so many women who come with the full force, with the full power, keeping that guilt and keeping that guilt making them strong. So what I'm going to share in this video, some practical techniques, some mind shift by doing certain exercises, how you can convert your guilt, what you are having, into the proper confidence, that also to build your career. So let's begin this video. Let's understand how to hold back that guilt and convert into the powerful energy into confidence. Hello everyone, I'm Tejaswita and I'm a career comeback coach, and I'm building a community called the Pro Career Ignition Club only for the women who are thinking due to their personal reasons or some other way they are not able to restart the career. So in this community you will get the clarity, you will get the confidence, and same time I'm going to share a lot of tactics also, how easily you can restart your career. And being in this industry, recruitment industry, for more than 18 years, I've helped thousands, hundreds of people to start their career, get the job in the market very easily. So if you're having any question, like you're stuck into any recruitment or hiring process, why can't you write me that question? I'll create a video and I'll upload that video on the YouTube. My email ID is tejaswita@procareerignition.com, or you can drop your question into the comment section below the video. So now, what is the agenda? What is the agenda of this video? So first agenda, we will talk about 3 emotional guilt women, they generally hold it within us and could not able to express, though they are knowing what is going on, but they could not able to express, and they are struggling, they are fighting inside. Second important point, 3 practical techniques actually to restart your career without feeling overwhelming. And third is we will take few real examples, some more techniques actually, how you can have a win-win situation to manage your career and the family. So now first part is a 3 emotional shift to release your guilt. What are those? Let's figure it out. First shift which you require to make it in your mind, to tell yourself you're not leaving your kids at home, you are leading them. What I said, you're not leaving your kids alone, you are leading them. What does that mean? Actually, your kids don't require too much attention. They need some kind of a freedom. Then only they will become independent. So why can't you think in that way? So when you are working, they will start taking they will be taking their own decision. They will become independent. They are understanding the scenario, and indirectly what you're doing, you're setting one example in front of your kids. When you put efforts, when they realize okay, you're learning, you're developing your skills, you are working, how you're financially independent, they will also follow the same path. And at my home also, my daughters also, when they see I'm putting a lot of efforts creating a content, sitting with the one-on-one session, making them understand, they also understand. To make them understand, I am learning a lot of new skills also, and they come back and say mama, we wanted to become like you. And that's a very proud moment when I hear this from my girls. Second shift which you wanted to do it, that is a self-care is not a selfish, it is a strategic. Now, it's a simple example. If it is an empty cup, when you try to pour it, nothing is going to come. So when you learn something, you improve and your communication, your knowledge improve. That's easier for you to share also with the kids. So empty cup, you can't pour it into, you will not be going to find anything. To that, fill that cup, even you need to gain knowledge. And then you can easily communicate with your kids also. You can share the knowledge. And what will happen? Your kids will impress. Your kids will say, oh, my mom is having a current trendy knowledge. Okay, she knows about that. And they will start more admiring you. Third shift now. It's about like your identity is more than one role. Now, being as a mother, okay, you have not considered like a housewife. You cannot put a tag of like I'm a housewife, I'm a mother only. More than that also, because the knowledge you have gained, now the desire what you have to restart the career, you can have the other identity also. So don't stick to the one, because when you are at home also, you are thinking, you're leader, you're organizing so many things. Why can't in the same skill you can utilize at the work also? So third shift, what you need to do, your identity is more than the one role. And it's a very simple, these are the very simple shift what you need to make it in your mind. Now, what is the exercise? What do you need to do now? Try to figure it out. Do some reflection. Which shift you require? Where you are lacking? Is it about the kids? Is it about like your self-appraisal, like a self-love which you are lacking? You're thinking you're not enough? Or you're thinking I'm too much selfish, like I'm leaving my kids, okay, I'm thinking about the financial independence. Where you are, and write me in the comment section. I want to hear it out. Honest answer from your side, like where you are stuck in which shift is it require for you. Now let's jump on the practical steps, because theory to samajh liya, but now practical action is required. And guys, like after watching this video, if you are getting a small shift also, please write me, so I will also understand these videos are helping you and it will give me the encouragement, me too. Okay, so the practical first step is about the block 60 minutes for you for your self-development. Now, self-development is something, it's not about like a learning a skills. It can be anything. In my previous video also, I mentioned about like a 5 habits, how change my life, especially in the morning. So I am still dedicating that 20 minutes, to watching one particular information which I wanted to gain the knowledge. Maybe I'll listen one podcast. Maybe I'll listen some music. Similar way, this 60 minutes, you're going to work for your restarting your career. Now, to restarting your career, it's not about like just about like updating the resume. It's not only about the applying the job. It's about the like a market research. What exactly you're looking, where you wanted to go, how many companies are available in that particular industry. You need to gain all those knowledge. And then when you're building your resume, you will build powerfully your resume. Second important step, build a personal achievement folder. Now, if you are restarting in a sense you are fresher and you're thinking you want to start your job, some work you must have done, okay, some achievement you have received, start maintaining that folder. And if you're already you're having a 2 years of experience, 5 years of experience, 10 years of experience, whatever achievements you have gained during that particular period, write it down and see the feeling how you feel. You will never feel demotivated. You will always feel oh, I have achieved this, then I can achieve more. That affirmation automatically will generate it in your mind, and your mind will say, go and do it. You are super powerful to start your career. Third thing, use 3-3-3 method. Now, what is that method? It's about like you apply 3 jobs in a day, then 3 connections you have to make it on the LinkedIn, and then spend 3 minutes to say thank you and do the follow up for your previous job application which you have sent. So 3 rules to apply your jobs, do the connections and do the follow up and gratitude if it is required to do that. So start following this practice. And if you're following this, as I said, don't forget to write me in the comment section. That's give me also encouragement to create such kind of a videos. Now the next part is like your action plan. What you need to do. Video to kar liya, watch. I have given you the mentally what is the problem, practical kya karna hai, but now what action you need to do it. So first action, you need to dedicate your time. Okay, you have to understand like whether which time is suitable, morning, afternoon or evening. I will prefer morning one, like that's the best one. If you wanted to know why morning one, you can watch my video like 5 habits which I built in the morning and how it is impacted. Second important thing, what is your trigger point? The guilt, which type of guilt you are getting, why that guilt is coming, and what is the trigger point? Is it something other than that, like it's other than about like whatever I have mentioned? It's about you're not feeling good about yourself, when you're not very sure your personality is there, or you're thinking like how my kids will manage, or you're thinking like why I should have the financial independent. Other than that, any other guilt also, please write down that guilt on the paper and try to understand from where it is coming. Third important thing, whatever you are getting a thought process, start journaling in the diary and understand why it is happening. Work for 10 minutes and start writing the affirmation. Start writing your action plan, what you wanted to do it in a whole day. So automatically your thought will tell you, if I can do this, then I can do much more. Then why I have to afraid of like to restart my career? And if these 3 things are not working for you, join the community of especially the women group, okay, who can encourage each other. There are a lot of communities are available, so you talk to them, make a buddy. You can make an accountable partner to someone. If you both are in the same journey, so make an accountable partner, discuss what are the challenges they are facing and try to encourage each other, so nobody will stop in this journey. So by following these 4 simple steps, it's easier for you also to come out from that guilt and become a very confident to restart your career. So world doesn't need the mom who are stuck into the guilt. Let me tell you, our family always wanted to see us like an empowering woman, so they can set the example. They can see, they wanted to become like a mother. So if you're thinking like you're behind, you're selfish, you're having a guilt, don't have that thought process, because we have taken the birth of the woman not only to empower our family but empower the whole world also, and that's history also says. So guys, if you're liking such kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share with the women who still they are thinking, okay, how I can restart the career. There's some other way they are having a guilt and thinking like I'm not capable, I can't leave my kid. You can start your career by having a freelancing work, part-time work, and if you're fully ready, you can take up the full-time job also. So guys, if you're liking, don't forget to register for my free webinar, which is coming like in few days. That webinar called Career Break to Career Breakthrough, and you can join my community also by having a Telegram link. I'll share it. And one more important, like if you want to connect with me, why can't you have a one-on-one session with me? And that is also absolutely free, which I'm giving. So link also you will find it into the description. Register for my free one-on-one session, get the clarity where you stuck, why you are not able to proceed, where things are not working for you. and I'll see you in the next video. See you and take care. Bye bye.